Welcome back to my channel Flawfit. This is Dr. Pooja and today I'll be discussing about health and heart condition. So let me first tell you that whether you are in your 20s, 30s or 40 or any person who is suffering from hypertension or any cardiac disease, heart problems is a major issue in our India. Whether it's being hypertension or hypotension or being heart attack, cardiac arrest, angina, chest pain or several other diseases relating to our heart muscles also. So let me tell you कि हार्ट हमारे बॉडी का एक वाइटल ऑर्गन है जो कि O2 न्यूट्रिएंट प्रोवाइड करता है हमारे बॉडी को, हमारे ऑर्गन्स को, टिश्यूज को 24 hours into 7. So it is very important to take care of our heart when we are in our 20s so that we don't suffer in our 40s. Okay, so the things we must keep in our mind for maintaining a daily life routine and also enhancing our lifestyle. By the first thing will be like maintaining your body weight, that is according to the BMI, body mass index, which is your height and your weight divided by your height in centimeter. Well, it varies person to person. Having a food diet supplements, okay, that people who are centrally obese, okay, blood pressure do increases slightly. In that case you can manage your body weight according to the BMI, managing your stress level, doing performing exercises. For elderly people I would suggest yoga is fine, and it can be included for laughter therapy or jogging for the stress management or enhancement of the activity. So these are the things, and also do avoid alcohol if you are a hypertensive patient, and say strictly no to the smoking part because the nicotine in the blood also increases the blood pressure. Conditions are only symptomatic when they are more than average, as in if I take the example of a hypertensive patient, if the blood pressure is 120 to 90, it's normal. If it's 140 to 90, it's pre-hypertensive stage, and if it's above 180 to 150, then it is called hypertensive stage. Okay, so in the case of hypertensive people, the symptoms are on hypertensive stage. Okay, so it is very important to being checked by the doctor on a regular basis regarding your blood pressure. If you are in your 40s or 50s, do it once in a year. Be conscious about the symptoms which has been arising, whether it is like headache, chest pain or blood in the urine. These are the symptoms which can be related to your heart problem, or again these also do have effects on our vital organs like kidney, suffering from diabetes mellitus, or increasing the level of uric acid. Food recommendation, I would suggest that people with hypertension should reduce the salt intake in their diet. They can replace it with lemon, and also these things can be followed with the people who are in their 40s. Do decrease the sodium intake in your diet, and drinking water with some flax seeds, chia seeds or basil seeds, that will help your blood to reduce the cholesterol level. Okay, second thing will be decreasing the amount of brown meat in your diet. Okay, and also the ghee products and highly saturated fats, which are again the causes of coronary artery diseases. Okay, so these are the things which you can follow. And if I come to the exercise part, if you are in your family, if there is someone with hypertension problem or cardiac problem, then in that case you should avoid the resistance exercises, weight training exercises especially, because in that case that is dangerous for the people with the hypertension. Being a physiotherapist, let me suggest you a few aerobic exercises which will help you to improve your cardiac activity and also enhance your blood circulation. So the first thing is that in aerobic exercises is fast-paced walking for the elderly people, cycling, skipping, dancing, swimming. These are also the form of aerobic exercises, and also the stretching of your calf muscle by balancing your body, or by sitting also you can stretch your calf muscles. That is again a good thing. And also active breathing. In active breathing you can perform simple active breathing exercises like placing your hand over your rib cage, and doing this and holding it for 2-3 seconds and then inhaling the oxygen. So this is a one form of active breathing exercises which is again beneficial. This is come under the full chest expansion to increase the oxygen capacity in your lungs. So these are the exercises which you can perform on a regular basis. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe, and also share. And also if you have any query about the video or you want any suggestion, you can ask me. We'll try to resolve it as soon.